Hello, this is the TradeSite U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Wednesday, May 15th, 2019. Hope you're having a good trading week. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. So remember, we had hit that static trend line. That's that red static trend line, and we got that trend reading. And so we bounced a little bit for one day. We'll see if that means anything. But right now, we are sitting still near the highs all time on the ES and the NASDAQ. But we've been down the last week or two and then bounced on Tuesday. Here's a look at the ES. Let's go to the other major daily charts. Then we'll look at the intraday action. Then we'll go from there. Crude oil down 62 cents to 61.16. Gold up $2.20. S&P cash gains $22.54. Nasdaq 100 up 77.75. This also bounced off of look at how it's precise that is, right off that red static trend line. So both of them doing that for now. But remember, that's expected. Doesn't mean it leads to a big bounce. And then if we break that, look out. The SOX up 33 points. The biotech's up 41 points, but that's basically at lows of the year almost. Russell 2000 up 20. Never really went anywhere this year. The VIX down $2.49. The Trin up 85 cents. I'm sorry, at close at 0.85, not up 85 cents, close at 0.85. But that puts that 10-day, like we said, up at 1.35. That's an extreme reading up top on the trend. NASDAQ volume 2.1 billion shares. It's the lightest volume day. So remember, the down days are heavy volume, the up days are light volume. We've been pointing that out for a while. It's not positive for the market. NASDAQ advanced decline plus 1446, New York plus 1486. Google loses $11.73. Apple up $2.94. Netflix up 35 cents. Remember, there was that 13 cell signal on Netflix. That's right on the money. And that has so far worked out. The red static trend line is the target there. We're still looking to short it underneath the lows of the last 2 months or so. Amazon up 17.44. Tesla up 5.30. That's off the lows. It made new lows for the year on the gap down today. Facebook down 81 cents. Goldman Sachs up a buck 31, and the Dow was up $207, 207 points. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, down 37 cents. All right, here's a look at the ES. So we didn't do a market preview last night just because of the way the market's been gapping around. So far we've had 2 days this week. We gapped down on Monday, tried to rally for 10 minutes, sold off and closed lower. Gapped up Tuesday a little bit, banged around for 30 minutes, then went higher into lunch. Once lunchtime hit, that was pretty much it. The rest of the day was dead. So we still have the gap above from last Friday's close and the gap below from Monday's close to look at on the ES. Here's the NASDAQ side. Same story, didn't fill either gap. And we're basically sitting where we opened for the week. I mean, that's the main point to focus on, right? In terms of economic data coming out on Wednesday, we've got retail sales and Empire State Manufacturing Index now before the bell. Capacity utilization and industrial production at 9:15. Got business inventories and NAHB housing market index at 10. Mortgage delinquencies at some point during the day. Crude oil inventories an hour in, and tick long-term purchases at 4 p.m. That's it. We'll see what we get. Hopefully something good. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Wednesday.